Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will walk through the entire process including installing Postman and using it to test some basic APIs requests. Before we dive into the installation, let's quickly talk about what Postman is. So Postman is a popular API testing tool used to send HTTP requests such as get, post, put, delete, and patch to interact with web services. It allows developers and testers to validate APIs, troubleshoot requests, and automate testing all from one place. Think of it as a browser for APIs where you can directly interact with data over the internet without writing code. Let's jump into the installation first. So first open your browser and just search for Postman. When you open here you will get the first website which is a www.postman.com, which is an official website. Just open it. Here you will get different download options for Windows, Mac or Linux. So I have to go for Windows because I am using Windows. So just click on Windows. When you open, it automatically detects your system. Since I am using Windows 64-bit, so it has been automatically detected. Just click on it for download. If you see it is downloading, wait for it to download. Once your Postman setup file is downloaded, just double click on it for installation and it will install automatically. No need to do any manual setup and it will launch automatically. When you open Postman, just go here and click on new. If you see here, some of the features are disabled like collection, environment. So unlock these features like collection and environment, which will make your API testing more organized. Just click on the sign in button at the top right corner. You can sign in using your Google account, GitHub account, or create a new one. Since I already have an account, I have to just give here my username and password. And just click on sign in. Once you have signed in, just click on open Postman. It will redirect to your application. Now you will see all the features are enabled like collections, environment. Now let's start with get request, which is used to retrieve data from an API. First, click on new request. Just click on new. Here, just choose HTTP request. And from the drop down menu, just select get request. Now enter the following URL in the address bar. After writing this URL, just click on send. This URL is a placeholder API that provides sample data. Once you enter it, click send and you will see a JSON response showing a post with an ID of 1. So GET requests are commonly used to fetch data from an API, and here you can see the data we retrieved. In this case, the response includes the title, body, user ID of the post. Now let's move on the next request. Now let's send a data using a post request which allows us to create new data. So just select a post from the drop down. Just select post and here in the URL just edit your URL and type this URL. In the body tab, go to body tab and just select raw and here just select JSON. Now enter the following data to create a new post. After entering this data in the JSON form, just click on send. In the response section, you will see the postman returns a response with the newly created post, including an ID. This shows that the post request successfully created new resource on the server. It also shows a status code. It is a successful message. Now let's try a put request. Let's update a record using a put request. A put request replaces all the existing data of the specified resources. So in the drop down menu, just select put URL, just edit the URL and type /1. In the body, again select raw, JSON and update the data like this. Just enter the data which you want to update. Now after writing the data which you want to update, just click on send and you will see the updated data in the response. The put request completely replaced the old data with the new one. Now let's try a patch request. With a patch request, we can update just a part of data instead of replacing the entire record. Select the patch from the drop down. Enter the same URL for the post. In the body tab, enter only the field you want to update. For example, let's just update the title. So I just want to update the title. Just click on send. If you see, only the title is updated and existing data as it is, which is default data. Now let's try a delete request. Finally, let's delete a record using a delete request. Go to here, select a delete from the drop down, enter the URL for the post you want to delete and just click on send. 200 OK response, which means the post was successfully deleted. See here. Now let's create a collection. So Postman lets you organize your request into a collections. To do this, click on new and just choose collection. Here you will give the name of your collection, like just I am giving the collection name. You can give any name, whatever you want. And just go to your history. You will see today we have done these many requests. If we want to add into our collection, just click on add request to collection. Just click on my API testing. Here it is saying to choose the folder. I have created my API testing collection name. Just choose and just click on save. If you go to your collection, you can see get request is saved to our collection. Same way, add some other requests. Now, if you see, your all the request has been saved inside your collections. So collections help you to keep everything tidy and easily accessible. And that it's, I hope this guide helped you to get started with API testing. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech contents. Thank you for watching.